guys, how are you? Today I wanted to share with us how I do the cleaning of the kitchen. As you can see, this one is super dirty. So what I do is I remove everything from the slab, like these ones. I remove them and put them the other side of the kitchen. So when it's empty like this, it's easier to wash it, so that the oily things and everything that is there can be removed. The grease. So as you can see, I've removed everything. It's now empty, totally empty. So there, it's empty. So what I do is I put soap on my thing and I pour water on it. Yeah. And then using a scrubber, if you have a scrubber with salt, we really do the washing, serious washing. If they are white, then they become super duper nice. But these ones are done black, so. And then after that, we get a towel, like this one, and then you just put on top of it, and shoot. I don't know if you guys can see me. Then done. Already. And then if you have pictures in the kitchen like this one of mine, you just pass like that. And then done. Voila! My kitchen slab is super clean now. As easy as voila. And then look at this side. Now these are the things that I've just got from the other side and I put them this side. So now we get the things from this side again. We take them where we just cleaned. We arrange them nicely. Oh no, I have one camera so you can see one side. I think if I sit it somewhere like here, like that, you'll be able to see me properly, right? So I'm getting things from this side and then putting them back this side.